Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is Laurie's journey, and in today's video I'm going to be organizing my baby's wardrobe. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything, how I was able to arrange it and all. So that's what we're going to do today. This wardrobe, I've been meaning to arrange it for the longest because we moved to a new place and I've not been able to put my baby stuff together. I just did a little thing, and now the condition of this wardrobe is so much in a mess and I cannot keep it that way. So that's the reason why I'll be working on this particular wardrobe today. So I'm going to show you the state of this wardrobe. Please don't judge me. I'm not a disorganized person, but sometimes it can be like this when I have not arranged I haven't really arranged this wardrobe. So I'm just going to show you guys the state and how I'm going to arrange it. Okay, please don't judge me, yeah. So let me just show you guys the state of this wardrobe, and then let me show you what I was using before. So this is what I was actually using before to organize my baby's ins. Alright guys, let's just get to work. Let me just start working and doing what I need to do.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty.
Arranging. So this is what it's looking like now. I hope I did my best. This is what it's looking like now. And it looks way better than how it was the previous time. Yeah, so I'm going to just explain how I arranged it. So this place is for his going out clothes. Yeah, they are not a lot because some of them are still washed. Like most of his clothes were washed today. So these are his going out clothes. I had to hang them here, but I think I still need to get more hangers because these were all I had and it's not enough. So this is where I kept his shoes, and then here I kept his socks, then his bibs, face towel, and some other things there. Then this place I kept the things that I'm not using like soon, so those are the things I kept up there. Then there's still some space, there's a lot of space here, which is good so that I can keep any other thing that baby needs. So here is his diaper, wipes, blankets, towel. Yeah, this is where I kept them. And here is his rest of his clothes. He's staying at home clothes basically. Once he stays at home, that's what it is. So yeah, that's all. We're done. So I'm finally done with arranging the wardrobe. Like this is in the night. I started this thing in the morning, but today was really a hectic day, so I was not able to like finish up. I had to just hold on till I'm done. As you can see, I'm backing baby boy because he has refused to stay by himself. I'm trying to see if I can catch his face. I really don't know. He's very cranky today. I really don't understand why. But yeah, that's that for our wardrobe organization. Yeah, that's that for it. So thankfully I was able to organize it, and I'm so glad that I was able to do this today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and like this video. So we'll see you again in our next video. Stay blessed and keep flourishing. Bye.